The first location is Vieille Charite. An iconic location in Marseille, La Vieille Charité, is tucked away in the neighborhood of Panier, the city's old quarter. The Vieille Charité Museum, a masterpiece of 17th-century architecture, serves as a cultural hub for Marseille while also serving as a symbol of the city's rich legacy. Since its restoration in 1986, Marseille's Vieille Charité has served as a multifunctional center with a focus on science and culture. The second place is Jinbagatayama Mountain, located in Japan, the ideal area to camp. The Jinbagatayama camping ground, also known as Camping Ground in the Sky, is surrounded by the Japanese Alps and is perched 1,445 meters above sea level. The third place is Święto-Pokrovsky Katedralny Sobor II, located in Ukraine. Striking Orthodox church with golden domes and a richly decorated interior with mosaics and paintings. The fourth place is Rajabasa, located in Virginia. In the most southeasterly point of Sumatra, Rajabasa is a lone conical volcano measuring 1,281 meters high that is situated beside the Sunda Strait. The fifth place is Beach du Leblon. Beach de Leblon is located 8.5 kilometers from the region's hub, the city of Rio de Janeiro, and is ranked number 22 out of 374 beaches. The sixth place is Konevets. The Konevsky Monastery is located on the approximately 8.5 square kilometers island of Konevets in Russia. It is situated not far from Vladimirivka, a settlement on Lake Ladoga's southwest side. The seventh place is Playa de Lazinia, located in Spain. The biggest beach in this area is Lazinia. North of Orihuela is where it is situated. The coastline measures 115 meters in width and 360 meters in length. The eighth place is Refugio Guide del Cervino, located in Zermatt. At 3,480 meters above sea level, in the Val Tournanche valley of the Val d'Aosta, is the Refugio Guide del Cervino. Several mountaineering hikes, including the ascent to Brighthorn, Palouse, Castor, and traversing Monterosa, can be started from here. The ninth place is Bohuslen's Museum, located in Sweden. The Museum of Bohuslän is one of the top regional museums in the nation and is located in the heart of Uddevalla, next to the river Bävern. It provides both ongoing and temporary exhibitions, talks, movie screenings, concerts, and theme days. The 10th place is Isola. A mountain in Bavaria, Germany, called Isola is close to Bad Hinderlang and Oberjoch. From Oberjoch, a chairlift takes you to a height of 1,580 meters. Both hiking trails and the Saliwa Klettersteig, a via ferrata that begins at the lift's higher station, lead to the summit. The 11th place is Lake Braddock. Burke is a neighborhood in Fairfax County, Virginia, where Lake Braddock is a reservoir. An impoundment on a stream that flows into Poet Creek, which is a tributary of the Potomac River, results in the creation of Lake Braddock. The 12th place is San Pellegrino Pass. North of the city, on a peak overlooking Palermo Bay in Sicily, southern Italy, is Mount Pellegrino. With panoramic views of the city, its surrounding mountains, and the Tyrrhenian Sea, it is 606 meters high. The 13th place is Mount Haruna, located in Italy. The dormant volcano Mount Haruna has a sizable caldera. At a height of roughly 1,100 meters, the crater lake is a favorite spot for boating and fishing. Due to its breathtaking beauty, Mount Haruna is one of Gunma's 3 most renowned mountains.